What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Thursday. This week has flown by super fast. Time is an illusion, but the perception of time has been speeding up, in my opinion. I don't know how it's Thursday already, but here we are. Happy Thursday. I'm going to be going over the Bitcoin price. Another bank failed last night, or, the stock price of that particular bank dropped dramatically, I think over 50%. And if you've been following me on Twitter, you've been seeing all the updates. So make sure that you follow me on Twitter at Chris Knight 407. Facebook is going to be at official Bitcoin Chris. And then IG is at Chris Knight 407 as well. Now, it is super hot, super sunny outside. Whew. And trying to earth. I don't know if you guys know about grounding, right? Grounding is putting your feet on the ground, right, without any shoes on, and it's super hot on this asphalt. But I'm actually down by the lake again. I love this lake, but I came outside to get some sun and to create this video for you guys. So hope you're having a great day, and I hope you've been stacking some Bitcoin. And with that being said, let's jump into the Bitcoin price, guys. If you woke up this morning, you're blessed. I don't know what's going on with there it is, with my chart today, looking crazy. I'm using two different charts on my desktop, so I guess this is picking up the second chart that I'm looking at. But we're still going to be able to see what's going on. So what I'm going to do is let us hide that. This is the volume. We don't need to see that. Main thing here is let me change this because this needs to be black so we can see that line. Cool. Boom. All right, cool. We just need to see market cipher and the price going on here. So as you can see here, we are looking at what time frame is this? This looks like a 3-minute time frame. Let's go ahead and change that to the hourly. Cool. And then we could also, all right, cool, close that. Looking pretty good. All right, cool. On the hourly time frame, we got the sell signal. We got a lot of sell blocks on the order block indicator up here. So we did get that sell. We did hit 29,000. The highest here was 29. 29.4. 29.3. All right, and then we came down. Now we had that sell signal. We're starting to come down. We're also coming down on the indicators here, so we can see that market cipher is showing that we are shifting down with the momentum. VWAP coming down, RSI, stochastic RSI coming down. We got the red dot, and we got money flow still in the green, so that's good. However, we are starting to come down, and I was watching the DXY, which is the dollar, right? The strength of the dollar, and that's pretty inverse correlated with what's going on with Bitcoin. So excuse me, this looks like we can come back down to about 28.4 to 28.2. We have a lot of buy orders in that area. If not, we can come back down to 28 to 27.9. If we lose that area, then we'll come down to where there's more orders, 27.6, 27.7 to 27.5, pretty much. So we could come all the way back down here. I have these alerts set already. We did have some alerts this morning. I did not get to tweet that because my phone was on silent. I put my phone on do not disturb because I have a lot of calls coming in on this business phone, and I don't want to be. I always get woken up by the calls, so I decided to put my phone on do not disturb to make sure that I can get my rest. So. And I keep my phone away from me, right? I put my phone far away from me in the morning so that way I don't, It's not the first thing you reach for in the morning, even though we all probably do that, right? Try not to do that, guys. It's not good. All right, so with that being said, let's jump to the 4 hour. 4 hour looking like we are coming down. We got that red dot, so don't be surprised if we come down. Money flow is still super green, still coming up, so that's good. We got VWAP pointing down, and then momentum pointing down. RSI, stochastic RSI coming down. So this is looking like a correction could happen. So we could bounce, or we can come down a little bit further, as I mentioned for those levels previously. But looking at this, let's see what those levels are now on the 4 hour time frame. Okay, it's the same, except for we can come down to 27.2 to 27,000. I don't think we'll come that low, but we'll see, especially since if the momentum is shifting down, then we could definitely correct, especially if the DXY is showing strength, even though, you know, we had another bank lose 50% of its value last night after the Fed and the market closed, after the Fed meeting and the market closed. So now we're looking at the daily. Let's look at the daily chart. Cool. Daily chart showing that we are pointing up. We do have a green dot, VWAP pointing up. Momentum shifted from down. We got the red dot, and then now we're pointing back up. So we'll see how that plays out. But if it's a green dot on the daily, that's good news. We also have money flow, which jumped a lot over the last day, 2 days. So boom, we had 2 days of green money flow after the sell indicator that we had there. So we'll see how that plays out. Let's jump to the chart only. In my other video, I said it's just like a flag, and then we usually break down out of the flag. I had to have it drawn on the other chart, but the flag was still drawn on the other chart. But I did say that Bitcoin likes to do this. Well, you can't see that because of the color. Change the color. All right, Bitcoin usually does, it was a flag here, right? And then the pole, that's so we could pop. But I also mentioned in that video that Bitcoin likes to do, it likes to fail and then come up and do what it does. So I think that's still the trajectory, unless we get, you know, something crazy happening, or the US dollar still increases in value over the next few days. But I still am bullish long term for Bitcoin, of course. And for this opportunity, we have a lot of buys in this area down here. So we'll see how that goes. $27,000. Okay, so if we lose 27,000, we'll come down to 25. We have a lot of buy orders in that 25 to 23 to $24,000 range. So if we do lose this level, then we can definitely bounce and come back up. We have these red sell order blocks, right? So if we can break above these order blocks and these levels that I have set, then we'll be good to go to 33, 34, 30, 35, of course, 38, and then 40,000. We got a lot of sells here at 37.6. So with that being said, if we bust out of here, pretty much then basically we'll come. If we jump out of this level here, 31,000, then we're going straight to 38,000, 37,000, in my opinion. In my humble opinion, I think that would be the case. So let's keep an eye out for what's going to happen. Yeah, cool. Yeah, that's a huge gap. If we get out of this, then yeah, it's straight 37 to 40,000. If we can pop out of here, we're definitely going to 40,000. So keep an eye out for that. That's going to be pretty much the video for today. Make sure you guys head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Make sure you guys, you know, if you need to fix your credit, there's a link for that in the bio. Make sure you guys go to FOMO21.com. Make sure you check out Collar if you want to take collagen and, you know, take care of your skin, hair and nails. That's a protein that we lose as we get older. You know, it's great to supplement that. Also has biotin, cayenne pepper, and lots of other natural ingredients as well. Shout out to Collar. Also, you know, all the other things in the description below that can help you out. So make sure you check those things out. Make sure you hit that like, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe. Much love, you guys. I'm getting way too turned. Bitcoin Chris checking out. Peace.